Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week, due to my office being a bit inhospitable the last few days, currently it's hovering around 30 degrees C, which is 86 Fahrenheit. It's a bit cooler than it's been for the last few days, but you could still fill a bucket if you wrung out my t-shirt. I went for a 2-hour drive on Wednesday, purely to abuse my car's air conditioning for a bit of respite. Anyway, to cheat a bit, we're going to run a few clips from Oxfordshire Outback truckers. We've had 2 meets since the restrictions have started to ease, and enough sanitizer to sink a battleship. Next week, all being well, we'll be back on track. We've got the Durafly Tundra V2 to assemble, plus I've found the WPLC 44KM we built up to the chassis and body, but never fitted the electronics, so we need to get that going too. As always then, thanks for watching, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if there's something on your mind. Bye guys!